All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, bringing you your daily horoscope for April 1st, April Fool's Day, Monday, the 1st of April 2019. Here we go. So the moon is moving out of Aquarius into Pisces, okay? We're going to have a stellium in Pisces, which means we have a lot of planets, a lot of energy in occupying the same space in space. So we have the moon moving into Pisces. We have Venus at about 77 degrees. We've got Mercury at about 16 and a half, just slowly moving forward now, right? And Neptune is right there at 17 degrees. So all of these are just right in this chunk of space. And what is this Pisces energy? Again, Pisces is the completion. It's the last sign of the zodiac. It is like the all-encompassing of knowledge, you know. Gemini is just like all of this information. So just like we talked the other day about knowledge and knowledge versus, not versus, but understanding, you know, like knowledge and understanding. So it's like Pisces is this understanding. Like we've gone all the way around here. You know, so Gemini is kind of like knowledge. It's just all the information. So we have the moon up here in Pisces creating a square. And Venus is also creating this square still to Mars that's in Gemini. So we have this like wise knowledge, this experience, this coming from a place of understanding, and this, you know, moving action forward knowledge down here, you know, information down here. Basically, we have our moon coming from like, okay, we had this, you know, kind of a fun weekend, light fun weekend. And I was just like, it's Monday. We want to settle down. We're going to ease into this Monday, you know, this Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, you know, moon's going to be in the water sign. Wants to slow things down. You know, it's not the, you know, it's not a raging waterfall. This is, you know, this is a nice calm river. Anyway, so we just come off of this like light electric kind of weekend, and then we have this nice water kind of a feel. But this water feel of wanting to like take things easy is going to be squared by Mars and Gemini, which is electric, which is saying act now. It's stimulant, you know, strike while the iron is hot and go. And we might be coming back from like this Zen retreat or something, and you're like, just right here. And all of a sudden your coworker's on like 6 cups of coffee at 9 a.m. just like, and you're like, whoa, I'm not there, you know. And if you're not grounded, you know, you're going to get knocked right off of your center. You know, if you're not centered, you know, you get knocked right off by all of these other energies that are coming around. So then it's just like, okay, this electric buzz of, okay, well, I got to do this, and I've got to do this person's task, and for this, and then this, and then this, and then it's, you know. So, some nice deep breaths, and just relaxing and remembering that we're coming from experience, okay? That's the important thing. So it's like, even if someone's coming at you with 6 cups of coffee under their belt, or, you know, a million things have already gone wrong. The person almost hit them across the highway, and they got it. It's just a miracle, and you know, it's okay. That's them. That's what's going on with them, and you can sit here and have your own, you know, be your own strong vibration. Be your own center of gravity, your own source of experience, and not have to get sucked into these other energies. Because it's going to be and it's funny because it's a very electric buzz day, and it's at the same time, it's just like a very peaceful, calm kind of a day. So we're going to see these energies kind of interweave as we go throughout the day, and just remembering to breathe, that we're all going to get through it one day at a time. And yeah, and honestly, so something we haven't talked about in a hot minute, but like all of this stuff that's going on in Pisces, all of this Capricorn energy is still going on as well. So we still have Saturn and Pluto up here at like 19, 22 degrees, 23 degrees. Saturn's at like 19 degrees, Pluto's at 23 degrees, something like that. And Neptune being over here at 17 degrees and Mercury being at 16, we're still creating this sextile. And now Venus is slowly coming through, and so is the moon, you know. So we've got all of this energy. Again, this is that like creation station. So as we're creating this vision of our lives, we're creating this future for ourselves, as we're creating this new, maybe we would have responded differently in the past when they came at us with 6 cups of coffee and their erratic, neurotic emotions and whatever's going on in their world. Doesn't mean it's going to have to mess up my vibrations in my world, right? I can maintain this calm, peaceful sense of self, Sun and Aries. So my experience from the past has led me to create a new outcome of this situation. So now we get to tie all this in, like, okay, so all of this, all of my Jedi training that I've been doing for these past few months have come through, and now, Jane, you're not going to knock me off of my, my Zen-centered edge. Have a good day, and I can still get everything done. So that's a Monday in a nutshell. Happy April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. We'll see you tomorrow.